Hey, what's up, man? If you are someone over 40, 45, 50, and you're more advanced, you've been working out hard, you're looking for something a little more challenging, some of the workouts I post for you guys aren't near hard enough, well, this video I'm about to share with you is for you. So make sure you stick around and check it out. What's up, guys? Gary Walker here with metabolic.com. In this video, I'm gonna give you an advanced workout for older guys, all right? Because I get it, just because you're 40, 45 doesn't mean you're right up there with the average 40, 45-year-olds, all right? A lot of people are starting at different fitness levels, cardio levels, conditioning levels. I get it. So this advanced workout is something that I've designed for you, all right? Tremendous workout, you're gonna get awesome benefits, all right? It's basically 5 different mini supersets. So we're gonna do 3 sets of each superset before getting into your next superset, all right? Tremendous group of exercises, but make sure when you're doing these supersets to create the most challenging and intense stimulus, you're not resting between the supersets, all right? You wanna get from the first exercise immediately to the second exercise. That's where the tremendous benefits come from, all right? So that being said, let's get into these exercises. First one we're gonna start off with is a front squat, all right? Front squat, shoot for 10 to 12 reps. 10 to 12 challenging reps, all right? Make sure you're getting a weight that's adequate enough to challenge you, all right? You wanna make sure, when I say 10 to 12, you can't do 17 or 18 reps, that's gonna be too light. 10 to 12 and make 10 to 12 challenging. As soon as you finish your front squat, you're gonna immediately go into a squat jump, all right? That's the superset. You're going straight into a plyometric leg exercise right after you've done your squat jumps, or your front squats. Focus there is height. Get up, get height, activate all those muscle fibers. Make sure you're really pushing yourself with each rep that you do, okay? Once you've done that, rest 60 to 75 seconds. Again, depending on your current conditioning level, all right? Rest 60 to 75 seconds and then go into your second set. Same thing, front squats and then back to jump squats. You're gonna rest again and then do your third. All right, that's your first of the 5 groupings. Once you've done those, the next one is a great exercise as well. You're gonna wanna get to a pull-up bar, all right? Here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna do a full burpee. A burpee, on the jumping phase, you're gonna jump straight up into the pull-up bars and do an actual pull-up. It's a burpee into a pull-up. I prefer the neutral grip pull-ups. However, if you wanna do overhand, that's fine as well. Just make sure you are doing them simultaneously. Straight up from your burpee, no rest into your pull-up position. All right, focus on your form when you're doing all of these. Just because you're advanced doesn't mean you can get away with doing things in a sloppy fashion. I wanna make sure you're maintaining that good, healthy joint integrity. So just make sure you're keeping your form tight, core tight throughout all these exercises as well, right? And you're gonna do the same thing. 10 to 12 reps of each of these, rest 60 to 75 seconds, and then go into your second set. Rest again, and then go into your third set. Once you've done your third set, you've done your second grouping. Now the third is gonna be chest. All about chest growth, explosive growth. So for this, we're gonna start with a barbell bench press. 10 to 12 reps, challenge yourself. Same thing, you wanna go heavy. Nice and slow on the eccentric. Don't bounce the weight, don't use momentum, all right? Once you get to the bottom of the eccentric, maintain about a 1-second pause and then explode the concentric contraction every single time. This needs to be explosive. Control the negative and explode the concentric phase every single time for 10 to 12 reps. As soon as you've done that, you're gonna roll off the bench and you're gonna go straight into some plyometric push-ups. Once again, push yourself, push yourself, push yourself. Focus on height. Get as high as you can possibly go with every push. All right, really challenge yourself on these, and then you're gonna wanna shoot for the same 10 to 12 reps when you're doing this as well, all right? So once you've done both of those, rest your 60 to 75 seconds, do your second, rest again, then do your third round of that grouping. All right, now we're gonna get into another challenging one, all right? It's a hanging clean into a push press. All of these exercises I'm giving you, you need to focus on challenging yourself, using adequate weight to make sure you're giving out within the prescribed rep range. So 10 to 12 reps here as well. Focus on really pulling. It's a high pull before you get into the clean, all right? Hanging clean, and then if the weight is heavy enough, that's where the push press comes from. All right, you need to challenge yourself. If you can just do a straight overhead lift, then perhaps it's not heavy enough, all right? So just make sure you're having to really force yourself to get that weight up and then control the negative phase of the overhead press, all right? You're using the push press to get the weight up, using momentum is fine, but just control it on the way down. And you're gonna wanna do that simultaneously. Hanging clean into a push press, hanging clean into a push press for 10 to 12 reps. Once you've done that, rest your 60 to 75 seconds, second round, rest again, and then get into your third, all right? Now you're in for the last grouping. Last grouping, again, is a tremendous group of exercises, one of my favorites, and you're gonna go heavy farmer carries, all right? Heavy farmer carries, I'm gonna recommend 24 to 30 steps. Go as heavy as you can go, keep your core nice, tight, and engaged, really focus on good straight steps when you're doing this, all right? I wanna make sure you're maintaining that knee integrity, hip, knees, start at your ankles, knees, hips, keep it straight, shoulders back, chest up, core tight, all right? And then really focus on good steps. As soon as you've done your steps, you're gonna superset this with a kettlebell swing. Same with all the other exercises, challenge yourself. Go as heavy as you can go, all right? Here's the thing with the kettlebell swing, 24 to 30. You want them to match your farmer carries. If you're going 24 steps, do 24 kettlebell swings. 30 steps, 30 kettlebell swings. So you're gonna do those simultaneously, and you're gonna get tremendous metabolically boosting benefits as well. So great met workout, great muscle workout. So you're gonna be building muscle, you're gonna be burning fat, all the tremendous things, guys, that you need as an older guy, especially someone that's more advanced. Again, I don't recommend this type of workout if you're not an advanced athlete in your 40s, all right? But I do realize there's a group of you out there that need something more challenging, and that's why I've created this. There's tons of other workouts like this, and if it's something that you like, you want me to do more of, then comment below, let me know. Also, if you like this, man, give me a thumbs up. I wanna know if you like this type of workout, this type of style. If you do, I can modify it to get to the beginner status as well. Beginner, intermediate, that's usually what I focus on with my older guys. But again, there's a lot of us that are a little bit more intense with our workouts, and this is something for you guys that's a little bit more advanced. But also, we got a free Ripped After 40 workout for you guys to pick up. Just go check the description box. There's a link in there you can click on to get that free Ripped After 40 workout. It's got tremendous full body workouts, Tricon training workouts. It also is a part of an amazing Ripped After 40 program that I've designed for older guys, all right? And it's something that can be scaled up. It's another part of the program that I really like. You can scale it to be more advanced or scale it down if you're more of a beginner. So it's just kind of go at your own pace, but it's designed to get you ripped and maintain your joint integrity. So yeah, guys, also if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to this channel, share it with your buddies, share it with your family, share this video, man, and do this workout with a buddy of yours. Like I said, if you're advanced and you want something challenging, it's not gonna take a lot of time, especially when you're keeping to the shorter rest periods, because that's the last thing I want you to realize is it's not just about doing the exercises and then resting 3-4 minutes in between. Part of the challenge is the short rest periods. That's what makes it taxing, and that's what increases that intensity. But guys, that's all I got for you. Get busy, get after it, and God bless.